Space, remote sensing and GIS. And today we are going to discuss a very interesting topic on shoreline changes. Okay, so let's discuss on this. Okay, how to extract the shorelines. First, we're going to see that, and then I will going to just discuss that how we'll do the same process to identifying the shoreline changes. Okay, so that same thing you can do over the other image. See, for doing this task, okay, I selected a area that is a Dubai. Okay, so you see, this is a city of Dubai, which I am going to select. That is over the two image. One is 2000 image, another one is 2024 image. So this is, you see, 2000 image of Landsat 8. Okay, sorry, this is not Landsat 8. This is Landsat TM5, and this is the Landsat 8. Okay, you see, this is a Landsat 8, and you see, it is clearly visible. There is a shorelines was changed over here. So now, how is the process which we can identifying this shoreline separately from this to that? Okay, so see, this is a previous and this is a present. How we going to extract these shorelines? Okay, so we will do some techniques which I will going to show you now how we are going to do this process. So let's discuss on this. Okay, so first I will going to show you this over this the 2024, and the same process you need to apply it over 2002. Okay, to 2000 image to extract this. So very first things what we have to do, we have to cut out this area. Okay, whatever the shorelines will be there, I will just cut it out. Okay, so for that, first thing we'll do, we will connect the folder connections where I will going to do this all task. Okay, so I'm just going to go with my lecture and shoreline analysis. Okay, so this I will select, and how here I will going to create a shapefile first. Okay, so just let's go new shapefile. Okay, so I'm just creating a shapefile. I will give a name, the shore area, extent area. Okay, so I will going to use it as a polygon. Okay, and you can use this present current map coordinate system. That's not a problem. Okay, so simply click on and see now here, so lines will come. So now you want to create a particular dragged something, this much area I want to cut it out. Okay, so how we'll do that? Same process. Decide to go this edit, go to the create shorelines and click a polygon. Okay, so you can take this as a polygon. So create the polygon first. So now, as this is little bit of extended area, you see this is a little uh, means that two different time frame image. One is L5, one is this. So there's a little shift of this two parts. Okay, so better you consider from this so that we can easily identifying the both. I can cut from the same place. Okay, so I can take this much will be fine. Set. So come to up to this, go up to this, and I think this will be fine. Up to this will be fine, where it will cover almost the full area. So you can save it. Okay, make it as a hollow and check it. It is cutting properly. Yeah, it is almost cutting properly. Okay, so now we can save this. Already saved it. So using this, I have to cut this image. Okay, so how we're going to cut this image? So it's a easy process. You can select this image first. Go to the raster calculator. Okay, not sorry, imagery. Here you have the process to cut. Okay, so we're not going to click with this. We can go with this raster function and simply use the tool as a click. Okay. So now which image first I will going to cut in the 2024. So I'm going to select the 2024 image. Okay, outside clipping, and I will use the shoreline extended area. Okay, exactly with the boundary. Then click on this and simply click on create a new layer. So now you just see this new area will cut out. So how to understand? Just simply switch off and you can able to see the clipped area now. Okay, this is the show area. This is a clipped area. Okay, so now what you need to do, we have to do some kind of classifications, okay, to make it at two different classes. That is our target. Okay, so we are going to do with the two classes. Okay, so let's see if it is done with the unsupervised, then well and good. If it is not done, then better you can go with the supervised classifications. Okay, so that will be the better options so that I can do it. So how to do that? We already know the technique. Like we can in the imagery, we have this classification tool. Click on this training samples. So here I'm going to do the two classes. One is water and develop. Okay, so this is I will consider the develop and this is I consider the water. So means two classes I want to differentiate. So I will take this water first. Okay, so take it as a polygon. Okay, so you can make some polygons to collect it. Collect it, whatever the water area will be there. Consider it as like that. So all these are your water. So now you can select this all the water, make it in a one group. Okay, done. So this water is done. Now second group you will going to consider as a built up. So you can take this as a develop, you can take out land whatever you want, because here our main consideration is water and land. Okay, so whatever you feel good, you can take this as a two classes. So I will take this first class, take this second class. Okay, so this is I will consider the develop. So now you can select this also. 2, 3, 4 classes samples I selected. Now you can save these classes if you want. Okay, so save classes wherever you want to save the training samples. I just going to save exactly in the same location so that I can identifying this particular signature file which I just created. So I give a signature name and signature. So sourcing. Sourcing. I give a name, the source signature. Source signature, I am giving a name of this signature file. Okay, fine. Now what you need to do, you go to this class tool and click on this classify. Okay, so here I am going to consider as a support vector machine classification only. Okay, so now I am going to give the training samples. Okay, so here you see classify, classify, not means classify, classify. Okay, and you can give samples, training samples which you collected. So you just see here, I collected 10 share. So it will go. So this is your source signature. Just refresh it, you will get it. Simply click on OK. Okay, now your samples is given. Okay, so now if you save in that location, so wherever you want to save your output, you can save it. But as of now, this is not my target. So I will just run in the CI, whatever the it is going to say around. So let's wait for the results to get it. Yeah, now you see we got a very good results of the seashore areas. Okay, so now what we need to do, we need to do some actions using this two classes. Okay, so how we'll do that? It's an easy technique. Just you come to the analysis tab, so click on the toolbox, and here you can convert it from raster to polygon. Take it. Okay, click on this raster polygon. So click on the classify image. Okay, and now I'm just see here your this one is your water and this is developed. So you have to check which one is your water and develop. So accordingly, where you will found the best options to extract it. So best way is, see here, it is converted. Select it. You see your water area, that shoreline is very nicely selected. Okay, so you can make it data, export data wherever you want to save your location. So you can give shoreline 2024. Okay, so simply click on save and okay, make it okay. So see here, this is your shoreline, how nicely it is extracted for this particular purpose. Okay, so now if you want to make it as a hollow, you can make it as a hollow, and if you want to change it a different color, okay, so you can give a different color. Simply click on apply. So this is your shoreline of 2004. Now, if you want to consider the shoreline of 2000, then how will we do the same process which we can apply over this also, shoreline extended area. Okay, so let's go and repeat the steps. So it will be interesting. So actually that same process only which we are going to do now. So see, I am just going to clip out this 2000 image. So now I will go to this imagery, then master function, go for the clip. Now this time you need to select image properly. So this is your 2000 image. Okay, so now outside image area it is fine. Okay, so extended area, you can cut shoreline extended. Select this use pictures, then click on the clip. Now your image came. Okay, so extended image came. So you can switch off this one. So this is your image now. So you want to do the same process over this also. Like we have to do the classifications over this image. So I will go to the tool, training sample manager. I will take the water, click on the polygon, take some samples from the water, wherever you have the water areas. I will be considering those all the water area. Okay, so you will see here. So now I will make this all the water in a one group. With water, now you can select the development areas, which is you have the land. So I'm just going to select all the lands, select it from the randomly, which covering your full image. Okay, so if you see this one is actually go over the water. If you want to delete this, you can delete. Okay, so you can select it somewhere else. Okay, so like that you can select. See here, now I can consider all this in a one group. Now here you can save this, okay, for the shoreline shore signature 2020, 202, sorry, 200. That is 2024, was 24 years gaps, okay, of how the shorelines is changed. Now it is done, so you have to do the classification. Now you can go with this classify, okay, and select your training samples where you have your training samples. So support vector mission classifications only I'm going to do. So select it to your shoreline 200 image. Okay, so it is done. So simply click on run to classify the image. So let's wait for the result. Here is the results. If you see here, it's clearly detection is there. Now you need to go to analysis, toolbox, and simply type raster to polygon. So here I can give this classified image as an input. Okay, and then simply click on run to convert it as okay. This now selects you the select tool, select the water shoreline area, just right click on this, go back to this load, right click on this, okay, go to the data, export data, and wherever you want to save your for the shoreline. Okay, so you can give shoreline 2020. Okay, click on save, make it okay. Now it is extracted. You can just hollow, make it as a hollow. Okay, so you can go to the gallery, make it as a hollow, give some extend color. Okay, so you can identifying with green, that you want. This is the shoreline of 2000. A few things you have to do, that is you can do the recorrections of this because I did take the extend area. Okay, and you see this is my 2024 shoreline. So how the changes is happening. Okay, so you can very easily detecting these two things. Okay, few things like here some extended I can cut it out. Okay, so if you want you can cut it out. Okay, so that you can do over like this. Okay, so as you seen here, this is a few stretched of this areas will be there, so that's why it is coming like this. So if you don't want to consider this, you can go to the edit then again. Okay, so shorelines what you want to change. So stop this, select the shorelines. Okay, select the shorelines, and you can reshape this shorelines. Oh, sorry. Cancel. So you need to do the reshape. So you can do the reshape. Yeah, that's all. Okay. So actually you need to do this correction also, but I didn't do the corrections again for this. Just to comparing this to in a proper way. So I can go for the clear selection. I can make it like this. So this is my common area, okay, between these two shorelines, and see how the changes. Okay, find out the changes. Okay, you just see here. So 2000, it was this condition, and this is the present condition. Okay, so if you just switch off this one and switch off this one, you will get. Okay, so this is how you can do shoreline change analysis. Okay, over a certain area in the world. Okay, so you if there is any sea due to the sea surface, sea level rise is going on, due to that the shoreline is also changing. So this will be the very interesting study. Okay, so I hope this video will be useful for you. So if you found this video is useful for you, so please share this video to others, and please subscribe my channels, and please give your comments. Thank you very much. Okay, so next week we'll come with another exciting video. Thank you all.